Welcome back to our next STEM. My name is Pika and today I'm going to share 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to emotional intelligence. So let's get started. The first word is empathy. Sentence: good leaders demonstrate empathy by understanding their team's feelings. Synonyms: compassion, understanding. Antonyms: indifference, apathy. The next word is assertive. Sentence: being assertive means expressing your needs while respecting others. Synonyms: confident, deceive. Antonyms: passive, timid. The next word is resilience. Sentence: emotional resilience helps people bounce back from setbacks. Synonyms: strength, toughness. Antonyms: fragility, vulnerability. The next word is compassion. Sentence: she showed great compassion towards those affected by the disaster. Synonyms: sympathy, kindness. Antonyms: clarity, calmness. The next word is integrity. Sentence: people with integrity always act according to their moral principles. Synonyms: honesty, ethics. Antonyms: dishonesty, corruption. The next word is mindful. Sentence: being mindful for others' feelings improves communication. Synonyms: aware, conscious. Antonyms: careless, thoughtless. The next word is diplomatic. Sentence: diplomatic approach helps resolve conflicts peacefully. Synonyms: tactful, sensitive. Antonyms: blunt, tactless. The next word is authentic. Sentence: authentic people are genuine true to themselves. Synonyms: genuine, real. Antonyms: fake, artificial. The next word is tolerance. Sentence: cultural tolerance promotes harmony in diverse communities. Synonyms: acceptance, patience. Antonyms: intolerance, prejudice. The next word is humility. Sentence: true leaders combine confidence with humility. Synonyms: modesty, meekness. Antonyms: arrogance, pride. Thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. Tip word of the day: empathy. Your challenge: share how you practice empathy in your daily life. Support the channel. Comment your emotional intelligence tip. Like if you value personal growth. Subscribe for daily life skills vocabulary. Share with your friends on the growth of journey. Thank you. See you tomorrow with 10 more English words. Also, try using these words in your daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them.